Installation guidance for aluminum-clad wood sliding door. Tools: electric drill, laser level, hammer, glass sealant, foaming agent, screws, air cushion. Step 1. Install the door frame. Align the door frame with the door opening and use a laser level to measure whether it is level. Fix the door frame with screws. Step 2. Install the door panel. Lift the door panel to the door frame and install it to the track. Step 3. Install the lock. Install the lock face plate on the door frame and fix it with screws. Install the lock cylinder and fix it with screws. Install the lock cover. Turn the key to test whether it works properly. Step 4. Install the handle. Tighten the screws on the door frame. Align the handle to the right place and tighten the screws to fix it. Installation completed.